Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. Black MB Tex interior with a natural grain gray oak wood trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats. Hop it in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for a media display. Charging port. Turn wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 45,088 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.